Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. If we have a plus b equals to 8 and ab equals to 8 times of a, and we solve this problem for the values of a and b. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. First we take this is the our equation number 1, and we take this is our equation number 2. So now for the values of a and b, we first focus on equation number 1, so that equation number 1 is implies that here we move this a to the right hand side, and we get the value of b is equals to 8 minus a. So we call this is our equation number 3, and now we put this value of b in equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that when you put this value of b here, it will be written as a times of b, and the value of b is 8 minus a, and it is equals to 8 times of a. And now further in the next step we need some simplifications here, and now we multiply this a on both of these values. It will be written as 8a minus this is a times of a becomes here a square is equals to this is also 8 times of a. And now here in the next step you see here, so that now here you see that all of these terms will be converted into the variable a, so that now we move this 8a in the left hand side, and it will be written as 8a minus a square. This is plus 8a. When we move in the left hand side, it will becomes minus 8a, and this whole equation equals to 0. So this minus 8a and this plus 8a are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here this is minus a square is equals to 0. And now here from this value we first multiply this equation by minus sign, and this will becomes here positive a square equals to 0. And when you take square root on both of the sides in this form, then you get here the value of a is equals to 0. So this is our first value of a, and now here for the values of b, we need to put this value of a in equation number 1 or in equation number 3. Okay, so our equation number 3 is implies that we first copy down equation number 3 here. It is b equals to 8 minus a. So we put this value of a in this equation, and we easily get the value of b. So we get our b is equals to 8 minus 0, and 8 minus 0 is equals to 8. So this is the value of b. So we have the solution set of the given question statement is that we have 0 and 8. And now here in the next step we need to verify this solution, and we check that is this solution is satisfied our given question statement or not. For this we need to copy down both of the above equations here. So we have a plus b equals to 8, and the second equation is that ab equals to 8a. And now we check both of these values on both of these equations here. So first we can put these two values here, and we have the value of a equals to 0 and the value of b equals to 8. When we put these two values here, so you get 0 plus 8 equals to 8, and 0 plus 8 becomes here 8 equals to 8. So this shows that the value of a and b is satisfied our first equation. And now here in the parallel way we can verify these values here. So in the right hand side we will put the values of a and b on both of the sides. So we have here a is 0 and b is 8. So when we put these two values here, it will be written as the value of a is 0 multiplied by value of b is 8. In the right hand side we have 8 multiplied by a, and the value of a is 0. So here we very well know about that 0 is multiplied by any value becomes 0, Similarly here 8 times of 0 becomes 0. So this shows that the value of a and b is also satisfied our given question statement. So here finally we say that this equation have only one solution, and it is 0 and 8. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.